This is another free crypto airdrop that you might want to participate in because it doesn't have a lot of risk, but there is the reward of an airdrop. Recently, free airdrops and social farming airdrops haven't done as well in terms of their return on your time invested, but again, there is no monetary risk involved here. So if you do have time and you want to farm an airdrop, this one might be for you. Let's check it out. But before we begin, this is my crypto airdrop spreadsheet guide. This is only available on matscrypto.com. We have about 60 VIP members in our group right now. We're talking about airdrops, new meme coins, all different kinds of DeFi projects going on every single day in the Discord. I'm posting about all these things happening. But you can see right here, so far in 2024, we are up to $64,473. You can see all the values we've gotten from the airdrops we farmed so far, but there are almost 50 airdrops on this spreadsheet below this that you can only get access to if you again join at matscrypto.com. So check it out if you want to, and we'll see you guys in there. Okay, this airdrop is by Ancient8. And if we go over here, Ancient8 is a gaming chain that works on the Optimism superchain. It powers different gaming structures and infrastructure, and it is, again, a social farming airdrop, but actually it's more of a gaming play to earn type airdrop. It's not really play to earn, but you can basically farm the airdrop by playing games on the website, which we'll show you guys in a second. But this is the Twitter if you want to go over and check it out and see what it's all about. But the mainnet is now open and the leaderboard is available. So if we pop on over here, we can see that this is the main site. The Ancient8 airdrop leaderboard. Play to airdrop is what they're calling it. So this one's a little bit different than other ones where you can play games and earn airdrop points by playing said games. So to join this airdrop, click on the link down below and you're gonna sign up for an account. You can use an email, you can use a wallet, you can use your Twitter, Discord, wherever you want. The first thing you're gonna do is click this daily check-in, and basically every single day you come on here, you want to go and just check in that you've gone to the site. It's an easy, super quick way to get some extra bonus points for the airdrop just by checking in every single day. Then we'll scroll down right over here and see the farming leaderboard. I'm currently ranked 1700, and to be honest with you, I've put very little time into this airdrop so far. I intend to change that during this video, showing you guys how to farm the airdrop. But you can see right here, this is all of your information, your referral code that you'll get once you log in, so you can invite your friends if you want to as well. You'll get 12% from people that you refer and 8% from people that they refer. So you can get 2 tiers of referrals for that part of the airdrop, but your code will be right over here. Like I said before, you can connect your email, Telegram, Discord, and X. And then after that, you can basically scroll down and go to the missions section where you're going to actually complete different missions, mostly by playing games to earn points for this airdrop. So you can see right here, you can go to Ancient8, you can click play game, and then you see all the different tasks we can do under each section and how many points we can get out of each one. But if we scroll down here, we can see that a different game, On-Chain Clash, and again, click play game right here to go over to do that. One of the things you can do is accumulated points. So accumulated tasks allow users to steadily build points over time with repeated completion. So instead of just a one-time completion, this one you can get 20 points every time you buy one sell on any faction in this game, On-Chain Clash. This one also has multiple pages, although this one's already expired for referring friends. So definitely be paying attention to the fact that there are a lot of tasks for each one of these different games. If we scroll down again, another one, Master Duel. This one's got a lot of big points. Fuel 10 million gold is gonna get you 2,500 points. Referrals of 20 friends is 3,000 points. So a lot of these have referral-based incentives. And then there's a bunch more down here. You can see Pirate Clash, Harry the Benes, their NFTs. So if you are participating in their NFT ecosystem, there's a lot of points here. NFT volume junior. So by trading volume on the NFTs with Harry the Bene, you're gonna get a lot of points from that as well. Pirate Frenzy, there's all different games right here that you can play to earn different points. You can see I've actually earned none of them so far, but if you were to go over to one of the ones like this one, Play On-Chain Clash, you go over here, connect your wallet, and then you can start playing that game right away to earn those points. So this one is a little bit less social based, more gaming based, and it's pretty clearly laid out how you earn the points over here. And then once you do earn those points, you can come back up to the leaderboard and see where you rank amongst other people in terms of points. And those points will obviously convert to the airdrop tokens when the token generation event happens. So that's pretty much the plain and simple for it, right? You daily check in and then you play games to earn points. If you have any other questions, you can see how our points calculated down here. You can see requirements, blah, 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 all the FAQs. But if you have specific FAQs that don't answer here, leave me a comment down below in the video and I'll help you guys with whatever I know of in terms of Ancient8. I do have some contacts that are part of the team there, so that will help us if we have any questions that we can't get answered elsewhere. If you guys do want to join this airdrop, again, the link is down below. And if you want to join my private VIP group to get access to all the airdrops that we're farming and how I rank them and which ones I'm actively participating in, that's at mattscrypto.com. We'll see you guys in there. But before you head out, go over and watch this video right here because you simply do not want to miss it. There's a lot of valuable information in there and you'd be really sad if you didn't see it.